Dahil marami nagre-request and para na rin sa mga planong mag-invest dito sa Urban Deca Homes Manila, here is the detailed explanation of our unit computation. So mag-base na lang po tayo sa aming 2-bedroom unit na 30.6 square meters. Again, let's start with the TCP or the total contract price. Kasama na po dito yung transfer fees, government taxes, and other miscellaneous fees. And good news, meron din po tayong discount on all our units dito sa Urban Deca Homes Manila. The next one is the 10,000 cash out or the amount you need to pay to secure a unit. Again, this is deductible to the total contract price. Take note po, 10,000 lang ang cash out and wala nang down payment or lump sum payment na kailangang bayaran si client. Yan po yung promo natin ngayon. After paying the 10,000 cash out or the reservation fee, that's the time na mag-i-start ang processing ng application mo kay Pag-ibig. And good news, the developer will cover the processing fee for Pag-ibig. The loan process typically takes 1 to 2 months to complete. Pero meron po kaming mga